All right, hello first and second graders. We're back again and I'm bringing back Rosie again. She's gonna help us out. So we're gonna do things with our jump rope, and hopefully you guys have a jump rope in your house and garage. If you just have a piece of rope, that might work too. Your parents could find something in there for you. So if you have a jump rope, this will be a fun one for you to do, all right? Some of you, I remember you guys out there on the blacktop. Some of you love to do jump rope. Some of you, not so much, wasn't your first thing to do. But if it isn't, I'd like you to take on this challenge for some of you that maybe jump rope, it doesn't come easy to you, okay? All right, so for this lesson, when you're using this jump rope, you need to make sure that you have the right length. Now, you might have a really, really long one and that's all that you have. You need to test it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna stand on the jump rope with your 2 feet and you're gonna pull it up. It should be right where, almost like where your waist is, okay? If you're standing on it and your jump rope's like way up to your shoulders, it's that tall, then you need to have your hands and you need to take a couple wraps, okay? Because every time you take a wrap, it's getting shorter. I don't want you having to jump with a really, really long jump rope because it'll be too hard for you. So that's how you know if your jump rope is the right height for you, okay? So step on it, pull it up, see where it's at, okay? If it's right about where your tummy, where your waist is, you're good. If you're holding your jump rope up and it's almost here, it's way too long for you. Take a couple wraps, okay, to pull it where you need it. All right, and then we can get started, okay? So the first one, probably maybe easy for some people. It might be first time for you, okay? You've never really wanted to pick up a jump rope. So we're gonna start from the basics. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna hold your jump rope and it's going to be behind your feet, okay? So make sure that it's barely, if it's on the ground, that's fine, touching your heels, okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna tap your heels. You're gonna tap 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna swing it over. And then you're gonna step through, just like Rosie did, okay? So that's the motion that you're wanting. You're wanting to go over, step over, okay? Over, go again, Rose, and step over, just like that, okay? All right, so I want you to try that, see if you can do that. All right, the next challenge you're gonna do is you're gonna have it behind your feet. This time, you're gonna go over, and instead of 1, 2, your feet are gonna be together. So it's gonna go over, and then you're gonna step over the rope. So Rose is gonna show you how to do that, okay? Here we go. It's gonna go over. Yep, but she's gonna do 2 feet. Instead of doing the boom, her 2 feet are gonna jump at the same time. So as soon as it goes over, she's gonna jump with her feet. Here we go, we're gonna try it again. Ready? There you go, 1 jump. See if you can do 1 jump. That would be awesome, okay? All right, so then we're gonna move on. If you can go over and you can jump once, we're gonna see if you can jump twice. So Rosie's gonna go once, and if she feels good, she's gonna do another one. So she's gonna try it 2 times, okay? Here we go, ready, go. All right, did you notice that she kind of did a couple hops in between? She actually is already automatically moving into what I'm wanting you to do, okay? It's kind of hard to go like this, and then jump, and like this, and then jump. You kind of need a rhythm, okay? So the next one you're gonna do is you're gonna have a little rhythm, okay? So before you do any of the jump ropes, Rosie's gonna stand there. You're gonna jump. Do you guys see what I'm doing? I'm jumping high and then, okay, so you're gonna have a little hop. You're gonna have 2 hops in between. See if you can see it when Rosie does it. She's gonna go over, over. Okay, so we're gonna see Rosie just do it normal. So go ahead, Rose, do your jump. Here we go. And stop. All right. Hopefully you noticed what she was doing. She had 2 hops in between. Okay, so you're gonna jump up, little jumps. That's your pattern, okay? That's one way of doing it, okay? So you guys can go ahead and try that. Okay, the next one you can do is, remember when Rosie was doing this and she went step through? Now she's gonna do an actual jump where it's boom, 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 like that. That's the pattern. Two-doom, with her 2 feet, okay? So she's not jumping 2 feet together now. She's gonna be doing a rock. So it's almost like a rocking kind of motion, okay? Here we go. Ready's gonna try. Ready, go. Good, just like that, okay? So it's 2, she's gonna keep going. So it's almost like a rock. So go ahead, Rose, try it again. Here we go. Just keep going. Good. There you go. That's like the rocking motion, okay? So that's the next challenge. You can see if you can try that. All right, the next one is you're gonna be hopping with just one foot, okay? So instead of two, instead of the rocking, you're gonna just use one leg, okay? So as soon as Rosie brings over, she's only gonna be hopping with one leg. Now, when you're hopping with one leg, it's really hard to do one at a time. That's really hard. So you're gonna try to go over, hop, little hop. See this rhythm that we're doing? We're going big. That's my pattern. Okay, so Rosie's gonna try it. She's gonna be hopping with only one foot. You pick which one you wanna do, okay? Here we go. Ready? Woo. So you're gonna keep going as long as you can. Nice. Rosie's getting about 4, 5. See how many you can do. If you can do 1, okay, that's fine. Build up, see if you can do 5 before you mess up. Good job. All right, so there's another challenge for you. All right, this time, if you notice, the jump rope's in front of her body. It's not behind her body. So she's gonna be in the front. So you're gonna be swinging this way instead of the rope going this way. Okay, so you're gonna start in front, and Rosie's gonna do the same thing. She's gonna tap her feet. Whenever you're ready, I always like to tap my toes to get kind of a rhythm. I go 1, 2, 3, and then I start. Okay, so Rosie's gonna see if she can bounce rotating this way. Okay, go ahead, Rose. Ooh, good job. Now you notice she's doing the 2 jump in between while she's waiting. So she's already ready. 2 hops in between. Awesome. And you can stop. Good job. All right. Okay, so this one, what you're gonna do is it's gonna just be going back and forth, back and forth. So Rosie, it's probably easier for the rope to be in front. So Rosie's gonna have her rope in front, and she's just gonna be swinging with her arms. She's not doing a full rotation. So she's gonna stay here, hop, 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 hop. Okay, so you're not doing a full rotation. You're just jumping over the rope, okay? Go ahead, Rose. Good. It's more of a challenge, this one, because the rope is kind of coming up, and then you're having to push it back. So it's really hard. You're having to really judge the rope. So when you're going up, try not to swing too high. Keep your hands kind of low, okay? The higher you go, the rope starts getting all weird and it starts folding in. So you almost want it to just stay nice and low, not too far out. If your hands are out here, then the rope starts getting crazy, okay? So hands stay about low, low, low. It's nice and easy, okay? We'll try it one more time with Rosie, okay? Very gentle. You're not moving your arms very much. This is a challenge. For the ones that were too easy for you, this is pretty hard. So if you want to try this one, I encourage you to do that, okay? Good job. All right, the next one for you guys, if you have seen anybody out in the jump rope, you're gonna have your hands together. So I'm gonna show you this one real quick. So you're gonna have your hands together. You're gonna swing across your body like this, okay? Both hands need to be on the handle, okay? But you're swinging like this, across your body. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna separate, okay? Right when you're ready to jump. So you're gonna cross, cross, and then you're gonna come down and open your arms out, okay? So it's cross, cross, and then spread it out. All right, so this is what it looks like. Slow motion for you. Okay, so you can just do that motion. This is challenging because you're having to remember when do I separate the rope, okay? So you cross, cross, whenever I'm ready, okay, it's coming up and I'm gonna separate, okay? Go ahead and try that. All right, so here's what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna do a complete jump, okay? So here we go. Cross, cross, and then I'm gonna separate. See if you can go into a jump after that. If you're ready for this challenge, see if you can do that, okay? If you can only get from here to here, good. Just work on that. See if you can get a little bit farther, okay? Then you can choose however you want to jump. If you want to split your feet, or if you want to keep your feet together, all right? Whichever one is a little more easier for you. All right, so this next one is called hot chili peppers. And I don't know if you guys have heard your friends out there on the blacktop where they start slow, and then they start getting faster and faster and faster, okay? Okay, so Rosie's gonna try it out. So Rosie's gonna start, and her rope looks good, so she's ready. Yep, okay.
Hot, chili.
Well, first and second graders, I hope you have fun doing this, and I will check in with you guys later. All right, goodbye.